Follow the steps on how to use the Curvature Pen Tool to select objects in Photoshop. Let's start by inserting the image. First, I will duplicate it. Not everyone likes to use the pen tool to select objects, so here I invite you to try using the Curvature Pen Tool. How to use it is very easy. You only need to add points that are connected like this. Double-click if you meet a corner like this. Connect the points until the line is closed. If at the end of the curved line like this, just double-click. After everything is connected, right-click and make selection. Now add curve points here too. Don't forget to double-click when you meet a corner. Right-click and make selection. Because this is not part of the object, select Subtract from Selection. Next, make a mask. And this is the result of selecting objects using the Curvature tool. I hope this is useful. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.